Hi, it's Lisa here. Welcome to my kitchen. I want some lunch and this is called like whatever's in the fridge salad. I am just gonna throw something together. Just a really healthy, yummy green salad full of antioxidants and crunchiness. I have this beautiful cilantro. I have some radish, half of a cucumber left, some green olives, and then I have some slivered almonds, and I'm gonna be finishing off with my favorite ginger dressing. So what I love to do, I mean, everything's obviously prepped and washed. I love to use a mandolin. I use a mandolin probably more often than I use knives in the kitchen. It's because you can get three, on mine anyway, 3 different sized slices. And I like things really thin and really crunchy. So I'm gonna use size 1 and my trusty bowl. So I just put it over the bowl and take your washed cucumber and you just slide it over the top and you get these really thin, whoops, beautiful slices. If you've never used a mandolin, you have to pay attention when you're using it or you will slice your finger off. It is incredibly sharp, but you can see. And I never ever like look away when I'm doing it because I like my fingers, so. And then I usually do it just like right to the end. I'm not brave enough to go like shave it all the way down. And then like same thing with my radish. I'm just gonna take the little tops off and then go back in here. And you know, sometimes for lunch, I just feel like eating really light, something plant-based. And for me, you know, raw veggies are always my staple go-to. And again, whatever's in the fridge, doesn't matter. It could be the other, like last week I had all these carrots left over from the weekend. I made a beautiful carrot and cucumber salad. And cilantro, I pretty much eat on everything. It's incredibly healthy, full of wonderful antioxidants, and also cilantro is really good to detox any sort of heavy metals out of your body, particularly something like mercury. And interestingly enough, last year when I had my blood work done, my mercury was off the charts. Your mercury, I believe, is supposed to be under 15. Mine was 19. And my doctor was like, you know, what are you eating? A lot of tuna? I eat a lot of tuna. I did eat a lot of tuna. I ate a lot of canned tuna fish and a lot of raw tuna as well. So I cut that out. I started taking a supplement and I started eating loads of cilantro. I just had my blood work done about 2 weeks ago and my mercury is down to a 5. So I was very excited about that. Obviously the cilantro works and the supplements I went on. I'm gonna put my green olives in. Anyway, you know, getting blood work done I think is one of the best ways to know if you're on track, what's going on inside your body, and then where you can, just some almonds, where you can improve and really work on, you know, elongating your lifespan, the way your body looks, the way your skin looks, the way you feel, you know, the quality of sleep you're getting. It all has to do what's going on inside of us. So, you know, my dad, Dr. G, is a big proponent of always knowing what your levels are, what your blood work is. I mean, getting blood work once a year is just important to know where you're at. So, eating healthy, getting lots of sleep. This is what the finished product looks like. I'm gonna shake my dressing up. I don't know about you, but I am obsessed with ginger carrot dressing, like totally obsessed. I'm gonna mix this all up. Let's mix it up. I had a great workout this morning, so I am just ready to eat lunch and enjoy this gorgeous green, almost summer. Can we say it's almost summer? It's almost summer. Salad.